In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix blurry photos in Photoshop. Start by dragging your photo layer towards the plus sign in order to duplicate it. Now select this duplicated layer and set its blend mode to linear light. After that, head over to the filter menu, other, and then click on high pass. When this tab opens up, set the radius to a value of 4 or 5. Click OK. Now keep selecting your duplicated layer and click on the new mask button. Hit Ctrl I or Command I while selecting the mask to invert it. And for the fun part, select your brush tool from the tools bar, set the hardness to 0, and resize it as much as you want. However, make sure that the foreground color is set to white. This is very important, guys. Then all you have to do next is start brushing over the areas that you want to enhance. And as you can see, if we zoom in on the photo, you can see the difference made if I hide and unhide this layer. Now I know this wouldn't work for everybody. That's why I have this video for you to check out. But if this tutorial helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Goodbye.